Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Navi Show. Alright, so we are back. As I was saying in the last video, we're gonna try to be uploading every single week, so make sure you subscribe and drop a fat like. What do you guys think of this merch? As you can see, very highly detailed, very creative design here. How much do you think these would go for, Dan?
$4.
Dude, $4. Alright guys, if you want one, hit me up in the DMs. We'll personally deliver it to you for $4. For a quick little start to the vlog, we're gonna be reading some lovely comments that people comment under my videos. First one, you guys look like clowns. This channel is gay. Straight up, love it. I love this name, Obese Hippo. He says, you're shit to BH. Poon Poogler, and he says, this is the gayest thing I've watched in 2020.
It's a good one.
This is the new normal now. Gotta wear masks everywhere. The mall is empty. It's crazy to think that over a year ago, James Charles came here and there was thousands of people here gathered all together. Now imagine just being around that many people right now. Ugh. So this is why we're at the mall today buying this flashlight, because we're gonna do some exploring. Dad, what's up with your driver's license photo over there? You look crazy. We're gonna be exploring that tunnel right there. You ready, Dan? Right off the bat, it says do not enter. Dan, should we count how many penises we find?
Yeah. That's hard.
Oh, just popped out right at me. She did, dude. Why are you spitting on it? Hey, you're gonna piss the ghost off. After this, I think we need to get the fuck out of here. Look at this long one, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.
It's about 5 liters. What the fuck is this shit?
He's stuck. I'm stuck.
How are you stuck?
I don't know how to get down.
Just fall.
No.
Are you actually like...
Oh. Enough of this nonsense, ladies and gentlemen. You came here for a sneezing prank and I'm gonna give it to you guys. Remember, this is only part 1. There will be a bigger and better part 2. So yeah guys, here's a sneezing prank. Enjoy.
Achoo. Sorry.
Fuck. Oh my god.
What the hell did you do that for?
What?
Why would you do that? You came up behind me. What the hell's the matter with you?
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Just get the fuck out of here before I call the security. God damn it. Achoo. Sorry. Shit, what are you doing? I sneezed. I have the flu. My bad. Sorry. What the hell? You crazy or what? No, I just sneezed. Sorry. My bad. Shit. Sorry.
Oh my god. Very fucking funny.
Achoo. Sorry.
What are you doing?
I sneezed. My bad. I have the flu.
What?
Huh?
What's happened?
Huh?
Why you have a flu? Why are you sneezing? You can cover your mouth? Why are you sneezing?
It was an accident. I don't know how to sneeze on purpose.
You don't know what this is the purpose?
No.
Go ask the doctor, fucker, he tell you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah, I got it.
Cover your mouth next time
Sorry.
when you're sneezing, fucker. Right through to fucking my leg.
Sorry.
Sorry, fucking you sorry.
I'm sorry.
Jesus, nice and pink.
Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Shout out to my friend Robert that did that with me. Link for his channel in the description. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next week.
I'm headed straight to the top. Gotta keep my bread right. Tryna help all my dogs. Got so many fakes around me. Keep the ones who don't talk. Yeah, of course I'm gonna brag. I got the drip on my wall.